Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a quick look here at XRP. This is a request from somebody that's been following me on TikTok, so thank you again so much for the request. Deeply appreciate that. We're going to double check a couple of key factors here with XRP, backend data, liquidation levels, all that stuff here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome on board. I'm not a financial advisor though, but I do love teaching people to trade. I hope you can learn something today. And if you could, just hit the like button before we get started, comment below. Will help grow the channel, really helps get this in front of more people. Quick little congrats to our community members here for some awesome profits for our day trading group, Chainlink, ETH, Litecoin, small loss from Matic, but replaced quickly with XRP, Solana, Litecoin, ADA, Litecoin, ETH. It's hard to list them all, but our day trading bot's been killing it today. Same thing here with my swing trades that I take. These are manual trades that I send out myself. They're not fully automated, but they can be followed. ICP, near protocol, good 40 to 36% average for those two trades. We've got 3 more trades left in the open, and XRP is one of those we're considering taking along with here. But I just want to say thanks again to my community for the wonderful feedback. Let's jump into liquidation here. This is another reason why we should see higher price action for XRP. A lot of liquidation between 52 and 53 cents. So again, folks, excellent stuff here. Definitely looking pretty solid in the overall sense as far as further continuation of the upside. A lot of shorts got destroyed between 51 and 52 cents. Try not to be another casualty, so to speak, or prisoner of war, whatever the thing is there. I can tell you it's not ideal conditions to be shorting any kind of coin right now. Because again, we got this nice little trend line here that we're going to pay attention to, kind of see where we're at. We also want to kind of look at a descending trend here too. There's not much of one, but we can draw out a trend line here nonetheless and kind of see. It's pretty obvious that we've broken through this descending trend. Okay, so either way you look at it, we'll just put that on the chart for later. A lot of times those runs concurrent with moving averages. Let's go ahead and clean things up here for us and take a peek. So what we're looking at here on the daily time frame is the moving averages, right? So the simple moving averages, we can see we're below all 4 minus the 20-day SMA, kind of getting us the indication that if we can close above this 0.382 fib level, 52 cents, I think XRP has a solid chance to continue further up. At this point, though, we want to consider and presume that's going to be a resistance, so we may actually see the price pull back a little bit, maybe work itself into a descending type of channel for somewhat of a cup and handle playout pattern. A lot of little things could exist here, possible scenarios, but for right now, we got to respect the 20-day SMA. It's not commonly a resistance level, but it lets us know that we're not fully bullish yet until we can kind of confirm above that. Same thing here with 50 on the RSI. I'm not sold on being bullish until we get 50 on the RSI or higher. If we look at this coin here, we haven't been above 50 on the RSI in over a month. So it's really just a point that we need to confirm that we stay above in order to have any kind of luck here. We can see the MACD converging here, of course. We can also see stochastic swinging up and traditional RSI and money flow index fairly decent. But again, until we get over that 50, I would say just pause, wait a little bit further for confirmation. We are above all 4 moving averages here, however. That's a very positive sign. We can also see stochastic swinging up, RSI over 50, money flow index, and stochastic RSI, traditional MACD. Everything here we are looking at is in the bullish side of things, okay? So it doesn't mean the price is just going to shoot up from here. It just implies we have more likelihood of the price sustaining its current level. But what's really common occurrence in these situations, just so you know, folks, it's really standard for price action to retrace the most recent high and then use that as the new low. Okay, so in a perfect world, the price retraces down to this 51 cent mark and bounces off that round number. If we take a look at the hourly, let's double check this here. Most coins are bullish on the hourly, which we see here. Same thing holds true for our XRP. So there's no reason to consider a short position at this point. While the truth here is that there's a lot of volume that's holding the price action in place, and there's a lot of overextension too. If the price does end up pulling back, you're much safer taking a long at a lower level than shorting to that range, based on the simple fact that a lot of coins right now are somewhat independent of Bitcoin or breaking free from Bitcoin, and this is one of those coins that can do that. So just be mindful of that. Again, try not to just arbitrarily jump into a long because some guy on the internet said it's a good idea. Do your own research. Make sure you always do your own TA as well. And to my community who had awesome profits here recently, congrats on sticking it out. Just some of those people who kind of bailed early, I'm sorry that's the case, but you got to trust the TA and you got to make sure that you stick with what works. Okay, and right now, a good loose risk tolerance is probably the best way to go. I know it doesn't fit everyone's personality. Use what you can in your risk tolerance. If you don't like losing 5%, set that as your stop loss or lower, right? But me personally, I'm okay with slightly larger losses sometimes because I have a lot more small gains that all add up over time. Again, even with bad month, last month being a bad month, 75-80% success rate still gives me a green month no matter how you look at it. Okay, so again, Congrats, and thanks again so much for the awesome feedback. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, comment below, absolutely appreciate it. Trade this coin and many other awesome coins on the world's best exchange, BitUnix. Link down below, $5,500 in benefit rewards. You use my link to register. Highly recommend checking them out, they are awesome. Furthermore, no KYC or VPN, trailing stop losses, it's just a significantly beneficial exchange. Thank you, BitUnix, and thank you too for being an amazing part of my life. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.